Hello everyone! So this is my CVS haul for this week, October 18 to October 24 of 2020. So I did 3 transactions to lower my out-of-pocket. But in the second transaction, I paid more than 10 because I add the Persil and the Fabuloso. But it's okay, it's still a nice deal and I'm so happy to the items that I pick up for today's deal. So first, I pick up the Loreal Mascara and the L'Oreal lipstick. So the lipstick is number 120 and the mascara is black. And this is my note for that. So the L'Oreal Paris Voluminous Mascara is $9.79 and the L'Oreal Paris Color Rich lipstick is $8.99. So the two are $18.78. And then I used the 3 of 12 L'Oreal Paris Cosmetics CRT. I used the $4 L'Oreal instant coupon from October 11. And then I used $2.50 L'Oreal Mascara manufacturing coupon from October 18 Retail Me Not. And $2 off L'Oreal Paris Lipstick manufacturing coupon from October 18 Retail Me Not. So I paid $7.28 and then I get back $5 extra bucks reward, making it $2.28 or $1.14 each. So it's a nice deal for L'Oreal, even it's not a money maker. I love this product. And then I pick up the Maybelline Cosmetic. There is buy one get one CRT that everyone got today, so I used that in this deal. So I pick up the Maybelline Fit Me Foundation. This is 320, and then I pick up the lipstick. It's 311. It's Crimson Race. Those are the items that I pick up, and this is my note for the Maybelline. So the lipstick is $8.49 and the foundation is $7.99. Then I use the Maybelline buy one get one free for face or lipstick. So it deducts the lower amount and it in which it's the foundation. So it's $7.99. And then I use the $4 off Maybelline Foundation CRT. I use the $2 off any Maybelline Foundation coupon from October 18 Retail Me Not, and I used $2 off Maybelline lipstick from October 18 Retail Me Not. So I paid 49 cents and then I got back $5 extra bucks reward, making it free plus $4.51 money maker for Maybelline. And it's a limit of 3, but I only pick up 1 set. And then the Revlon Cosmetics, because I love this shade. Good thing it's available in the store. This is the last 2 of this shade. So the Revlon Cosmetics is spend 12 and you will get $4 extra bucks reward. And this is priced for $8.49. So I pick up 3 so that I can get 8 extra bucks reward. So this is my note for Revlon. So it's $8.49. So the 3 are $25.47. And then I use the 6 of 18 Revlon Cosmetics CRT. I used the $5 off Revlon Cosmetics CRT from last week. And I used the $6 off Revlon Eye Cosmetic digital coupons that I clipped today. So I paid $8.47 and then I get back $8 extra bucks reward because I spent more than 12. It's I spent $25.47. So making it 47 cents or 15 cents each. So what a lovely deal for this eyeshadow. So cute. So next is the Garnier hair color. So I'm thinking if I'm gonna color my hair. So I pick up this one. It's blend. And the other one, it's number 53. So there is no extra bucks here, but it's on sale for 2 for $14. So this is my note for that. So 2 for 14. Then I used the 4 of 2 Garnier hair color from October 18 retail minute. So I paid $10 for 2 hair color. This is the first time that I pick up this item. And then I pick up also the Dove shampoo. So the Dove shampoo is 2 for 7, and when you buy 2, you will get $2 extra box reward. So I pick up the shampoo and conditioner. And this is my note. So I used 3 of 2 Dove manufacturing coupon from October 18 Unilever. So I paid $4 and then I get back $2 extra box reward, making it $2 or $1 each for Dove shampoo. And the Colgate Total Whitening SF is $3.49. So the $3 digital coupon is attached on this Colgate. It's 4.8 ounce. And then I paid $3.98. Then I get back $4 extra box reward, making it free toothpaste. So the two are $6.98. And then the Fabuloso, so there is no Palmolive in the store, so I just pick up the Fabuloso and it's 22 ounce. So it's buy one, get one free. And then it's priced for $2.99. So the $2.99 for both, then getting $2 extra box reward, making it 99 cents or 49 cents each for Fabuloso dish liquid. And then the Persil is $4.99, and then I use the $2 printable coupon from coupon.com that I print out last week. And then the Snuggle, it's $2.99. So I'm trying to use my 2-of-1 Snuggle, but it did not work. But luckily, I had $1 digital coupon that attached on this Snuggle and it came out. So this is my note for that. So the Snuggle, and then the Persil, and then the Fabuloso. And then the Kleenex is 2 for $3, and I got 1 of 2 Kleenex CRT, but it did not work on this Kleenex. But I got 550 points in Fetch Reward when I scanned the receipt. So here are all the items that I pick up in my first transaction. And this is my receipt. So the Kleenex is 2 for 3. Dove is 2 for 7. Snuggle fabric is $2.99. And here are all the coupons that I use. So the Loreal Cosmetics manufacturing coupon, the Maybelline. So all the coupons came out except for the Snuggle, the 2-of-1, and the $1 off for Kleenex. So my Colgate came out also. And then I paid $1.26 for this transaction. And then I got $4 for Colgate, $2 for Fabuloso, $2 for Dove. I got $8 for Revlon. I got $5 for Maybelline. I got the $5 for L'Oreal Mascara. So I got 26 extra bucks reward in the first transaction. So this is my second transactions, and I paid more than 10 in this transaction because I include the Persil and the Fabuloso. And first, I pick up the Nivea lotion. So the Nivea lotion is buy 2 and you will get $5 extra bucks reward. And this is 8.4 ounce. So I pick up the She Daily Moisture. cents. And this is my note for that. So it's $5.99 and the two are $11.98. And then I use the 2 of 8 Nivea Lotion CRT. I used 2 of $2 Nivea printable coupon from coupon.com. So I paid $5.98 and then I get back $5 extra box reward, making it 98 cents or 49 each. So what's a nice deal for the lotion? It's almost free. And then I pick off the L'Oreal Vibe shampoo. So there is only one shampoo in the store and 3 conditioner of this color. And the L'Oreal shampoo is 2 for 8, and when you buy 2 you will get $3 extra box reward. But I decided to pick up 4 because I had a CRT that I want to use, and luckily the store accepts 2 same coupon. And this is my note for L'Oreal. So it's 2 for 8. So the 4 are $16. And then I use the 4 of 15 L'Oreal Paris L5 Hair Care CRT. And then I use 2 of $3 L'Oreal Shampoo or Conditioner from October 18 Retail Me Not insert. So I paid $6, but I get back $3 extra box reward, making it $3 or 75 cents each for L'Oreal shampoo. And then the Fabuloso, it's buy one get one free. So it's priced for $2.99. And then I got back $2 extra box reward, making it 99 cents for both, or 49 cents each. And then I pick up again the Persil for $4.99, and then I use $2 printable coupon from coupon.com. So I paid $2.99 for Persil. They don't have all liquid, so I'm hoping that I can get the all liquid next time. So this is my spend 30 and get $10 extra box reward. So the Axe Body Spray is part of the spend 30, and it's buy one get one 50% off. So the Downy Liquid is part also, and the Tide is part of spend 30 also, and the small Tide is part of the spend 30. And this is my note for my spend 30. So the Axe Body Spray is $5.99 and the 50% off is $3. So the two are $8.99. The Tide 92 ounce is $11.94. Then the Tide 37 ounce is $5.94. And the Downy Fabric 51 ounce is $5.94. So my subtotal are $32.81. And then I use the 2 of 7 Axe Body Spray CRT. And then I use also my 2 of 150 Axe printable coupon from coupon.com. But it's gone already this week. I print this coupon last week. So the total are $3. And then I use the $3 off Tide manufacturing coupon. And then I use also the $2 off Tide manufacturing coupon from P&G. And then I use $1 off Downy Fabric printable coupon from png.com. And then I use the 2 off Gain or Downy CRT. So the total coupons that I use are $13. So I paid $19.81. Then I get back $10 extra box reward. Then I submitted my receipt to Ibotta. I got $3 rebate for buying 2 Axe spray. So making it $6.81 or $1.36 each. Then I got back 50 points in fetch reward for buying Axe. So it's a nice deal for laundry detergent. So this is my receipt for my second transaction. So all the CRT and coupon came out, and I paid $11.41 because I add more laundry detergent. and the dish liquid. And then I get back $20 extra bucks reward, 10 for spend 30, $2 for Fabuloso, $3 for L'Oreal Vibe Shampoo, and $5 for Nivea Lotion, in which I use in my third transaction. So this is my third transaction, and the Poise and Depends are spend 30 and get $10 extra bucks reward. So my digital coupon for Depend did not came out, so I only use 4 coupons in this transaction. So the Poise microliners is priced for $6.49. And then the Depends pad is $6.49 also. So this is my note for that. So the Poise is $6.49. So the two are $12.98. And then the Depend pads is $6.49. And the three are $19.47. And then I use the 4 of 12 any Poise CRT. Then I use the $2 Poise manufacturing coupon. So I able to use 2. And then I use also 2 of $2 Depends manufacturing coupon that I print out from coupon.com. So I paid $20.45, and then I got back $10 extra bucks reward. And then I got also $4 Poise Ibotta rebate for buying Poise, making it $6.45 or $1.29 each. So I have not submit my receipt to fetch reward because I'm waiting for the Poise or Depends to reset so that I can submit my receipt. And then I pick up also the Vaseline lotion. So the Vaseline is spend 10 and you will get $3 extra bucks reward. And this is included the 10 ounce, the small Vaseline lotion. And this is my note for that. So it's priced for $5.29. So the two are $10.58. And then I use the $2.50 Vaseline lotion CRT. I use also the 2 of 1 Vaseline printable coupon that I print out in coupon.com. So I paid $6.08, and then I got back $3 extra bucks reward, making it $3.08 or $1.54 each. And this is my receipt. So I only use 1 for Poise digital and 1 printable, and the 2 Poise printable came out also. And then I paid $6.62 for these items. So here are all the items. So it's 40 items, and the total amount are $241.52. But my total out of pocket in first, second, and third transactions are $19.29. So I save a lot. So 40 items divided by $19.29. So it's 48 cents each. So thank you so much guys for watching, and have a blessed day everyone.